Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. MGK is a singer, songwriter, and actor, and Megan Fox is an actress and a model. MGK is best known for his singles such as Wild Boy, Invincible, Stereo, and Hold On. And Megan is best known for her appearances in Transformers, TMNT, and New Girl. Megan was born in May 16, 1986 in Tennessee, USA. MGK was born in April 22, 1990 in Texas, USA. They both started dating on April 2020. Megan was featured in MGK's single My Bloody Valentine. They seem to be living a happy life together. He loves pets. Megan is a huge Harry Potter fan. Here's what Megan says about MGK. Loving him is like being in love with a tsunami or a forest fire. The intensity of merging with him is just overwhelming. And the threat it poses is so powerful but so beautiful that you have no choice to surrender with reverence and gratitude.